Hi.
What are we doing today?
Today we are selling my car. No, I'm gonna cry now.
Why are you crying?
Because it's been my favorite car. Why am I crying over a car? It was my first like sports car that was a manual. So I've had it for over 5 years and it's been my favorite car. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, it is 9 a.m. April 20th. This Friday, the movers will be coming. Then we fly out Sunday. I'm getting a one-way ticket to Chicago, so. Welcome to the moving vlog.
It's a rolling, not a stopwatch. Shit got super hot.
For those who don't know, this is Carlos, the Camaro. So say goodbye to Carlos. I will always love you. Always and forever.
Skink by your
No! Stop! Time to sell the car. That was a Michael Scott face.
gosh.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Goodbye.
It's just a car.
Goodbye. I will always love you. Forever and ever and ever. Why am I talking like that?
You're gonna break it before you.
I know.
But
I love you so much. I'm so sorry I never gave you many car washes. I was so mad at washing this car. Like there would be like people thought my car color was yellow because of all the pollen on it. I washed it yesterday though. So okay. Let's go. People suck at parking. There was like 7 parking spots and people parked in 2 spots. There was like 5 parking spots, but
that's why they were
welcome
not.
to Florida, guys.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's time.
So tell us what you just did.
Well, so I did an offer, or I did all my information, and the offer is 15 grand for my car. That's a lot. It's because my mileage wasn't even at 55,000.
You never drive.
I never drive, so it's a 2014 Camaro, and I only drove it to work, which I work 10 minutes away. So I haven't even hit 55,000 miles on it. That's insane.
No, it's not. Not when you drive my car.
Yeah,
all
I
the
know.
time.
But that kind of helps us out in a way. So worth it. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Shamie couldn't wait 30 minutes for them to process the whole thing, so we had to go to Joko's movie.
And cut.
I forgot to take some of my stuff out of the car, so they had to go grab someone. And then I didn't take a photo with it.
How do you feel now?
It's so weird.
Why is it weird?
Because I won't have a car. Oh my god, I've had a car since I was like 16. In the trunk, there's a yoga mat and a blue wrench. Okay. And that should be it. All right. So you could throw everything in that bag. Thank you. Oh my gosh. What's today?
Friday.
Friday?
Paula Abdul Day. Please. Paula, I missed you. Just be with me.
Hi, Bento. Guess what day it is, Bento? It's moving day. He's like, what? Okay, guys. This is what I have to deal with every day. He will go on forever too. Today's moving day. So excited. Shamie, what are your thoughts?
I want charcuterie.
Oh gosh.
They should make. Wait, I don't want to say this on camera because someone might take it. But if there was some type of breakfast charcuterie place, I'd be down. Just have strips of bacon and egg.
Yeah.
Basically a buffet, but just
Basically a buffet. I think those exist. Okay, so I'm only taking only like 14 boxes here. Shamie says that's way too much.
yes.
He says it's way too many boxes. But
Too many
this
slices.
is too many slices. But we also have to stop by my parents' house. Well, the movers are gonna stop by my parents' house to pick up 30 boxes, which is all like Fitbee stuff, like inventory, supplies, all that stuff. And then the furniture that is already in boxes, the new furniture.
Should we get coffee before we start?
No, I already drank a Bang. Okay, let's get the day started.
Shout out to Premier Protein for helping me get started through my day. Curse these hands. Why these genetics? Why, mommy? Why? Get the camera out of my face. Come on, let's go.
It's moving day.
Part moving.
Bento, wait. Good morning, everyone. Today is, I don't know, what date is it? Today is May 22nd. I've been here for a hot minute. This is my new apartment, guys. So I moved from Jacksonville, Florida to Chicago. Should I sit down and talk to you guys? Okay, let's do that. What is going on, guys? Okay, welcome to my new spot. The weekend of the move, now it's all a blur, to be honest. The movers came Friday, and then we flew out to Chicago Sunday. First, we were locked out of the apartment, and on Sunday, no one was working. So it took a hot minute to get inside of our apartment. So that was fun. We didn't get our stuff for a whole week. Luckily, we had friends in Chicago, so they lent us their air mattress. Everything is going well. I started my new job that following Monday, and it's just been a huge difference. Like the company I came from, really different, but I'm always up for the challenge, but it's just been kind of stressful. So that's why I haven't picked up the camera, because I've been like just working, sleeping, hanging out with some friends here and there, but just taking my time to like learn a new routine as well. So for those of you who don't know, my full-time job is basically like a CAD drafter. I got a job offer here in Chicago, and it's at a pretty big engineering company. So I've been just extremely like grateful and just like proud of like how long I've been doing CAD for the past 8 years. So I doubted myself going into this job just because like I feel like I'm not worthy enough. I don't know, I'm not smart enough or whatever, but I always just have to put like that confident face on. And like that's how like I actually grow, is like I have no idea what I'm doing, but just putting on that confidence, like the face of being confident, actually will get you to where like you want to go. It's weird to say that, but I've been doing that kind of my whole life because I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. Like on top of running Fitbee apparel, guys, how? I don't know. Everyone keeps asking me, how did you start? Like, what are you, like, how are you doing, like, everything? Like, I don't know. I really don't know. But I just keep on showing up every day and just putting in the work. So I do that on, like, not just Fitbee, but, like, my fitness. You have to show up as a person who you want to be in order to become that person. So that's just been kind of, like, my motto, like, my whole life in a way. And I guess it's doing okay because I'm here in Chicago now. So it's crazy to see where like your life goes once like you kind of start believing in yourself. And don't get me wrong, I'm still on that journey of being the person who I want to become, but it's all about the journey and not the destination, just FYI. So I know now that I always was talking about I want to move to Chicago. It'll just be like just a great fresh start and just help me like grow so much. And now that I'm here, I'm like, okay, what's next? You know, like, so I'm like, you'll never get to that destination for sure, but just enjoy the process and enjoy the journey and love every day and everything that you do. Like, you know, I don't know why I'm rambling, but anyway, guys, I'm here in Chicago. Like, what? I know everyone was asking for a little apartment tour. Just to start off, I don't have that many things here. I really wanted to start fresh, but yeah, don't judge me for not having that many things. And honestly, I'm still, every purchase I make, I have to love it or else I won't get it. So that's kind of how, like, I've kind of been going as well, because I'm not buying, like, I know I need some things, but I'm like, I don't like the way it looks or whatever. I'm like, no, I'll wait. So I probably don't have that much things, so please don't judge me, guys. But I would love to show you my apartment, and also the upstairs, I have a rooftop, my apartment building. So that's been like kind of like my go-to spot. And then obviously the gym here is really nice to have, like especially for my 4 a.m. workouts I've been doing. I literally just change and go up like 2 floors and then I'm at the gym. So no excuses. I'm on that Rocka schedule, workout schedule. Okay. Enough chit chat. This has been so long. I am so sorry, guys. But I just wanted to give you a little backstory because like I just haven't really been talking about like what's going on. So I hope you're still enjoying this video if you're watching it so far. But let me give you a little tour of the place because I do want to do another apartment tour once Shamey's back so he can film it because he's way better at doing videos than I am. And yeah, so, but I'll show you a little like sneak peek of everything. So let's get started. Okay, do you guys want me in front of the camera or behind? Well, I'll just be behind. Okay, cool. Here we have our front door and coming around, this is the den area. So this is where the Fitbee headquarters is. The other day I started adding like just the descriptions for what's in every box. So that way when I print out orders, it's so simple. I'm literally obsessed. Like, so the one thing I still need to do, but it's gonna take a while, guys. I'm very picky. I'm gonna be very picky, like bringing items in this apartment, but I really need a standing desk to like pack the orders. So as you could tell, I don't really have a packing station. So for right now, I'm literally gonna be ratchet and use the coffee table in the living room as my packing station until I like find a piece that I absolutely like love. So that will be a while, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, this is the Fitbee headquarters. Behind is our like the washer and dryer, plus like storage. Please, I barely have anything in here. So plus my sewing machine. Guys, I had to bring my sewing machine. Like, what if I find really good like thrift items and I want to flip them, you know? So gotta bring the sewing machine, and just in case something like a piece of my like clothing rips, I got it, you know? So if you don't know how to sew, learn how to sew because it's such a good tool to like know. Just think. Okay, so moving along is the bathroom. Pretty good, decent size. A lot of I still have not, ow, that hurt my toe. I have not organized anything, so I really need to get like organized boxes for these drawers, but pretty simple. Even have some storage back there. And then my favorite part is the shower. It's so pretty. Love it. Love it. Okay. So moving along is our hallway. So to the right is the bedroom. It's really small, but honestly, this is all I need. Okay, moving along to the living room. This is like probably one of my favorite spots because we have our kitchen right here. It is the most adorable kitchen I've ever seen, I swear. I'm literally obsessed with it. I know I have like the open shelving, so pretty. And my little sister, she made this right before I left. It's so cute. So that's there. Some dishes and then some of my baking stuff. I really need to get into my baking videos again. So those will be coming soon, I promise. I know there's not that much counter space, but honestly, I've been working with it and it's not too bad. It's not too bad. So, and then we got the fridge with all the snacks and drinks. I know it probably looks like I have nothing in here, so I definitely need to go grocery shopping. You know, it works. And yeah, we have like storage up there, so it's pretty decent sized storage down there as well. And then the living room, we have the TV stand, and then we have the big IKEA mirror. I had to get this. I definitely need to clean it. Look how dirty it is. Guys, I'm ratchet. It's okay. It's okay. Please look at this view. Like, we're not that high. We're on the 5th floor, but honestly, this is everything that I could imagine like living in a city apartment. So it's cool because the Sears Tower is right there and the antennas like will change colors, so it looks so cool at night. And then I have these two little guys. I don't know if you can kind of see it, but it's a huge ring, like colorful light, and it changes colors. And then I have the star one that hits the ceiling. So it's just a whole vibe, guys. Okay, so that was the apartment. I know it was small, but I love it. It is like the most perfect apartment like I could have asked for. So I'm so happy. Like, this is my first apartment here in Chicago as well, because this is just the beginning, guys, you know? I will probably go upstairs, film like the gym area and the rooftop area, because I'm pretty sure it's nice out today. So I feel like it'll look pretty today. So I will do that. And then I'll probably show you one of my favorite spots, maybe two spots here in Chicago. One is not like, well, it is kind of a location, but it's the view that I'm obsessed with. So I always go over there. I walk over there. It's like my new like walking route as well. And then on the way back, I have to pick up something. So I'll show you that. So this is probably gonna be the longest video. I'm so sorry, guys. But yeah, let's get our day started.